Are you struggling to accept payments on your WordPress booking system? Some plugins make it easy, while others leave you tearing your hair out. In this video, I'm testing the most popular booking plugins to find out which one handles payments the best. To make this comparison fair, I'm testing each plugin on these key criteria: payment gateways supported, ease of setup, deposit and partial payments, recurring payments, and transaction reliability with reporting. Amelia supports Square, WooCommerce, Molly, PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay. Setup is super intuitive. You can connect Stripe in under 5 minutes. Partial payments and deposits are supported. Recurring payments are fully customizable, and the transaction dashboard is clean and user-friendly. Bottom line, Amelia works for both simple and complex payment scenarios. Bookly supports Stripe, PayPal, and WooCommerce. Setup requires slightly more steps than Amelia, but it's manageable. Deposits are supported, but recurring payments are limited without add-ons. Reporting is solid but less intuitive than Amelia. Bottom line, Bookly works well, but advanced payment workflows may require extra setup. Simply Schedule Appointments supports Stripe and PayPal with a very simple setup process. Deposits and recurring appointments are limited or require workarounds. Reporting is basic. Bottom line, this plugin is perfect for single-session payments, but not ideal for complex payment needs. So which plugin should you choose? Amelia is ideal for businesses needing flexibility and recurring bookings. Bookly works if you don't mind a few extra steps or add-ons. Simply Schedule Appointments is perfect for simple, one-time payments. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. I'm reviewing booking plugins to help you choose the right one. Want me to test something next? Write it in the comments. See you next time!